Thinking about buying a gaming setup in 2026 but confused between a gaming laptop and a gaming PC? You are not alone. A lot of people waste hundreds of dollars choosing the wrong one and regret it later. So in the next 3 minutes, I'll break down the real difference so you can choose the best option for your budget and gaming needs. Let's get into it. First things first, both gaming laptops and gaming PCs are powerful now. With GPUs like RTX 4060, 5060 and powerful CPUs from Intel and AMD, both can run modern games. But the real question is, which one is better for you? Let's compare. If raw performance matters most, gaming PCs win every time. Why? Because desktop parts are bigger, cooler and more powerful. For example, a desktop RTX 4060 can perform better than a laptop RTX 4060 even with the same name. That's because laptops use lower power versions. So if you play games like Warzone, Cyberpunk, GTA 6 or stream while gaming, a gaming PC gives you better FPS and better thermals. Winner here? Obviously a gaming PC. Now, if you travel, go to college or move around a lot, gaming laptops are way better. You can game anywhere. Coffee shop, dorm room, friend's house, just plug in and play. A gaming PC stays in one place. No portability. Winner, a gaming laptop. Third, upgrades. This is huge. Gaming PCs are much easier to upgrade. Want more RAM, better GPU, faster SSD? It's easy with gaming PCs, but laptops are limited. Most of the time, you can only upgrade RAM and storage. That's it. If you want your setup to last 4 to 5 years, PC is the smarter long-term choice. Fourth, price to performance. This is where many buyers make mistakes. A $1,000 gaming PC usually performs better than a $1,000 gaming laptop. Why? Because in laptops, you are paying extra for portability, battery, and compact design. With PCs, more of your money goes into pure performance. So if your budget is tight, gaming PCs give better value. So here's the simple answer. Buy a gaming laptop if you need portability, you travel, you are a student. Buy a gaming PC if you want maximum FPS, better cooling, easy upgrades, and lastly, better value for money. Personally, if gaming is your main goal, I would pick the PC. But tell me in the comments which one you are going with, laptop or gaming PC. And if this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow for more smart tech tips. Thank you.